Jewel Fam presents How to Make Your Jewelry Talk. Your complete guide jewelry for choosing, wearing and care. Welcome to Jewel Fam channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You are indeed beautiful. All you need is to show this beauty. It is possible through your makeup, clothes, and hairstyle. But what highlights your beauty the most, defines your personality, and shows your femininity is the jewelry and accessories you wear. For that reason, we will talk together about what jewelry might suit you and your skin, which is better for the morning or the evening, and the different jewelry types, shapes, materials, and their effect on you. Enjoy what we offer, and we are pleased to receive your inquiries. Next, how to discover your skin tone. 3 tests to know your skin tone. Follow us to know more.